Hey guys! Today I want to talk to you something that I know many of you out there are really struggling with, and that is creating unique artwork and finding your own style in your own artwork. Now, I've heard from quite a lot of you that whilst you love painting and it brings you a lot of joy, very often you can feel stuck and not really know where to start, and that of course robs us from that joy. Now, maybe you've been painting for months even, maybe even longer, but there's still that kind of voice in your head telling you that your work isn't good enough, that you're not really an artist, all those sorts of things. Does any of those sound familiar? Now, if so, stick around because I think this video really might resonate with you and give you a bit of encouragement. Now, as we all know, there are so many tutorials and YouTube videos out there to help us get painting. It's actually quite easy to get lost in just a sea of content and go from tutorial to tutorial. Now, these videos can be really helpful, especially when you're just starting out and you lack confidence. They can teach you how to paint a specific subject in a specific style, and it often kind of mimics those techniques of the well-known artists or the artists that you admire. And there's real value in that. Learning kind of those basics about how paints work, picking up those techniques, really understanding how those colours can work together. But here's where the problem starts to come in. Now, when you solely rely on tutorials, you might end up with a beautiful collection of paintings that you feel really proud of. But often they are just that, is the copies. They are copies of tutorials, and they look stunning, but do they really reflect you as an artist? Do they showcase your unique vision and voice as an artist in your own right? Now, I've seen this happen time and time again over the years where people create these wonderful paintings from the tutorials, and that's awesome. I'm not diminishing that. But then when they do want to try their own paintings, something original, their own ideas, they're often met with frustration and disappointment, and the painting can very often not turn out how they imagined or wanted, and they're kind of left wondering what went wrong here, and it can kind of lead to all these thoughts of self-doubt, things like oh, can I ever really be an artist? What am I missing here? Like, what am I doing wrong? What do they have that I don't? Now, the truth is that most successful artists, the ones who truly stand out, the ones selling their artwork, probably the ones that you're following on social media, they are not following tutorials. Instead, they are creating their own ideas, and they are developing a real style that is uniquely theirs. So tutorials are great for that initial learning, but they don't teach you the most important thing in painting, and that is how to think like an artist, how to come up with your own ideas, and how to translate your thoughts, emotions, and your reference onto the canvas in a way that's truly authentic to you. So, that all said, if this kind of resonates with you, here's my challenge for you. If you are ready to move beyond just following along with those tutorials, and if you want to create stunning, unique artworks, original to you, that you feel truly proud of, then it's time to start thinking and trying something different. I want you to start focusing on developing your own ideas and developing your own style as an artist. Now, I've got something really exciting coming up that is designed to really help you do just that. It's the blueprint for you to follow. Now, this is an online live class designed to help you take that leap from kind of being a follower to being an innovator in your own artwork. You can save the seat to join this free workshop by the link in the description box. This will be a private class, so the only way to join this is by registering. That makes sure it's very safe for everybody that is coming. Now, this class is happening on Tuesday, the 18th of November. There'll be a bonus gift for everyone that does join live. And we're going to be doing a live Q&A session at the end where you can ask me any questions, and I love that part. I love interacting with you guys and helping you out there. Now, if you can't make it live, don't worry, please do still register, because everyone who is registered will get emailed a replay after the event, so you can still enjoy the class. So let's take your art to the next level together, and let's make your work truly something that reflects you as an artist. So I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.